All right, so let's come through here and see what kind of power we've got. Ooh, that looked good. All right, I want to come through here. I want to see what kind of vertical we have in full manual mode. Ready? Looks like I need to, looks like it's got plenty of power, but it looks like I need to adjust my motor angle. It looks like it's got too much down angle. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, 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 something's wrong. Something's wrong. I am running out of power. All right, let's bring it in here and set it down. There we go. Man, I'm about to check the battery. That prop and that motor should have given me, yeah. I'm getting a beep from it like it has a low battery. So let's get over here and check the battery voltage. Maybe that battery just can't handle the amp draw on it. I don't know. All right, see if we can get it near again. Throwing it into the wind. Okay. And I just put it into full manual mode. Okay, so I want to test this again. Man, that sure is fast. Oh yeah, that has definitely got unlimited vertical now. Maybe that battery was just, yeah, I think maybe that ESC, I don't know what the stock motor was pulling, but I just wonder if that ESC just can't handle, you know, the 6.5 amps that I'm pulling with that. But man, do you see how fast it pulled that loop? that has got a ton of power, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it's pretty speedy too. I don't know how long that's going to last, but it's pretty fun while it lasts. Oh yeah, that has got some power now, guys. that has got unlimited vertical now. I think that you know, when I had it in the air the first time, I do think that motor, maybe it's because it's producing more thrust, you don't really notice it with the stock motor, but with this one, and I use the stock motor mount, but it feels to me like it's got too much down angle. I think I'm going to have to adjust that. But that is cool, man. I hope I'm getting that on camera. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. Yeah, I think it's got a little too much down angle in the motor. Because I have to back off the throttle a little bit to pull it through those big loops. Like it just wants to keep going vertical, you know. And that makes the elevator a little less effective, you know. But how cool is that, man? That has got some power and some speed now. I just need to do some tuning on it. But it certainly looks like this battery is holding up a lot better. I'm going to have to try one of my GNB 350 milliamp hour. I think it's a 90 or 80C LiPo. Yeah, I can feel that this one is falling off now too. So I don't know. I don't know what that ESC is rated for, but it seems to be. It seems to have a, or what that the ESC is rated for, but it's when it was beeping like that. I don't know if it was because the ESC was getting hot or if it was because that battery I had in it was really pulling down at one point, you know, when I was going full throttle with it. I don't know. But anyway, let's see. I'm starting to run out of power now. So I don't know how long I've had it in the air, a lot longer than I had it the first time. Let's do one more circuit here and bring it in and shut it down. But that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. That has got some power now, but I think I need to get a battery. I need to get a battery in it that's not going to. There we go. Ah! Too much sand on the road. I need to get a battery in it that's not going to pull down like that when I go full throttle. And I think my 350s will be able to do that. But it definitely looks like this plane has unlimited vertical now with that motor upgrade. So I will try to put together some details on it and let you know, once I get it flying exactly the way I want it to. I'll try to put a video together and give you all the details on what I did to put this motor upgrade in this plane. But man, does it have some power and some speed now. Unlimited vertical on the little Miss Helen P51D Mustang. That's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.